Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we're going to look at BAT BTC. Yes, we are indeed going back to BTC contracts as we have used up most of our USDT contracts opportunities on them. They're a little bit dried up, so right now we're going to switch back over to BTC contracts. That doesn't mean there won't be any more plays on USDT. I'm just going to mix the two right now because BTC contracts, as you can see from BAT real quick here on the chart, they haven't moved at all almost, right, due to the fact that BTC is probably pumping. But when the BTC is going to get stuck in a range, they should give you a little bit of a pop. Will it be as strong as USDT contracts? I can't really tell because we don't really know how far the BTC will go. It all depends on the price of the BTC. But right now, if we are hanging above 11k or something like that, and if we break the 12k, the next stop for BTC should be 14k. So that could give on BTC contracts a little bit of a hit again, but after that they should really start popping off slowly, right? Some will pop off faster, some will pop up slower, right? So now we're back today at basic attention token, which in the past, if you can remember, this one held pretty nicely. It was quite popular. They even made their own web browser or something, right? So yeah, in the past it really played out well. It gave you many trades and also was very good to us. So already today in the channel of 4C, where you can join us as well, I already called out this trade, which already hit the first profit target, so that is quite nicely. And there is also, if you have missed this trade, there is another opportunity right now just to enter at this sort of stage right now. So this is sort of my stage for the next trade, for the follow-up trade. So even though if you already have original on, you can re-add it back once you TP it up here, or you can just skip it and just wait for the last profit target to be hit, right? So the trade locator is going to be right here. It's going to be a fat area between these two, because this is basically, if you're looking from chart, this has to hold for us to go high right now. We don't go any lower than that. Stop in this manner, we are going to be putting it above for about 5.5%. I won't be putting it all the way to the bottom. As I just said, there makes no sense to do such a big retracement there. So if we get stopped here, we already are probably most likely gonna go deeper, right? So yeah, stuff can happen and BTC can pop off and you get a little bit of week down and close back in, right? So due to these trades, when I'm taking them, I usually use alarm on tap trader. So if the wick is just like for 1 minute or less than 1 minute, then I'm usually not gonna exit the trade in panic, right? I will leave it for a minute, and then after a minute or two I will exit it, right, on a manual basis. So if we enter the trade right here, I'm gonna keep so this is the second profit target for the first trade, and now the first profit target for the second trade is gonna be located right here. The second profit target, I'm aiming it quite high, because there is no I mean, we can be really greedy at the moment, right? I mean, we can all see that Bitcoin is in bull and the whole crypto market is acting quite nicely, right? So we can afford to be greedy right now, because if there was ever time to be greedy, it is right now, right? So yes, we're going to put up the second profit target quite high, and this is where our third trade is going to come in play if it ever breaks this. If it ever breaks this could be a really strong buying point for us, and we can refill back on these two trades, or the single trade, depends on how you're going to play it on your own, right? So if this all breaks, not only will we be on a lookout for a new trade, we will also put our last profit target quite high, and it's going to be located just above here. It's going to be located just above here, which makes it for a really good profit. Let's just front run it just a little bit so that we get missed, right? For safety, like this, and this should provide us with a 74% pump on a coin, or 13R from the second trade, and about 20R from the first trade. And from the last trade, we don't know the stop loss yet. We will see the price action when it gets there, but it's probably gonna be at least 5 to 6R on this profit target. But then we will also aim for the second profit target above this, which is gonna break us quite a bank, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's almost 100% move from that area, right? So we'll see how that one will play out as well. So let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's first reach this second profit target and then work it from there. And yes, I really hope it plays out, right? I mean, I really hope that I'm timing the BTC contracts correctly here, and that I will be rewarded for it, right? But based on USDT contracts, I think I am right about there, right? So we might get stopped on a couple of trades, but long path down the road, we're probably going to be winning a lot of these trades in the next couple of months. Yeah. So yes, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Join us at 4C channel if you wish to see these trades in advance. And yeah, thank you for watching and see you next time.